Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mutton broth. Begin by preparing 2 to 3 pounds of mutton bones, trimming excess fat and rinsing well. Roast or blanch bones to remove impurities, then transfer to a large pot with cold water. Add aromatics and a bay leaf, bring to a gentle simmer, and skim foam frequently for a cleaner broth you will love. Maintain a gentle simmer and cook the mutton bones for 3 to 6 hours, depending on desired richness and gelatin. Keep lid slightly ajar to control heat and prevent boilover while skimming surface foam often. Add salt late in cooking to avoid concentrating it too early, and adjust seasoning at the end for balanced depth and a silky mouthfeel that highlights the meat. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and tap like to support future recipes. It really helps. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof containers for easy broth storage and spill-free meal prep. They save time and cleanup in the kitchen. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can stock up smartly. Now let's get back to the video. Once your broth is richly flavored, remove large solids and strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth for a clear finish. Cool the broth quickly by placing the pot in an ice bath, then portion into airtight containers and refrigerate within 2 hours. Label and freeze individual servings for easy meals. Thaw gently and reheat without boiling to preserve texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.